Y'all, this is one of my favorite times of the year. Fall, and then there's Halloween coming up. It's the whole harvest season for me. So you guys, I'm like really excited every day to get done up just for this type of season. So your girl does get to try out a Walmart beauty box. We get to try out a Walmart beauty box. What I'm gonna use to achieve my Halloween look is the Walmart beauty box. Yeah. Walmart is a one-stop shop for all of your Halloween beauty needs, okay? Okay, so we're gonna unbox this and see what exactly is in it. This is my Walmart beauty box right here. This is what it's looking like. It says beauty on the side. So we're gonna open it up and see what's all in here. So, very first product I see here is by Splat, as you can see. This is by Splat. It is a hair chalk in the color Midnight Blue. So this goes on your hair, okay? I do see some fingernail polish. Ooh, this is Sinful Shine. That is the brand. That's the brand there. Really, really cute color. It's like a, what color is this? That's the color. The color is Magic Dragon. Ooh, a colored liquid eyeliner. That's what we have here. It's by Hard Candy. And then we have Revlon eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. Cool. And then we have by Milani right here. We have a liquid highlighter. It's called Strobe Light, the 24K Gold. We have this lipstick here by NYX. The color is Harmony. And then in the box, we also have a Neutrogena makeup wipe. So I think that's pretty cute and cool. It's like a makeup remover. It's a single makeup remover. So we get to see what all these products look like. So this box is, I believe, the Lips Hocus Pocus. So the box of makeup is pretty much, it's good for Halloween time, but it's also great for everyday use, which I'm super happy and excited about. Cause y'all, I love wearing lips. I love focusing on my lips, mainly for my makeup purposes. For this Halloween look, I'm kind of going for one of the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite Halloween movies. So I decided to try out Sarah's look, the Sanderson sister from Hocus Pocus. So yeah. First guys, what I'm gonna go ahead and use is my Hard Candy liquid eyeliner. I love eyeliner so much. It is a part of my everyday routine anyways. And it says you shake it before you use it. So guys, I love eyeliner. This is the eyeliner by Hard Candy. And ooh, this is so easy to use. I love it. I'm a sucker for a good eyeliner brush. This works amazingly. It's so easy to do. It's so easy to do the wing with it too. Isn't that nice? Hocus Pocus sister, Sarah. I think she has a mole somewhere along the lines. I mean, I'm gonna do what I feel. I normally, on everyday basis, put a mole here in the middle of my lip, which appears to be a piercing to most people. But I think I'm gonna go like, and we're gonna go in with our little liquid highlighter. So with this look, I would say it was extremely fun to do this, you guys. Like, I'm a huge fan of eyeliner and lipstick and fake molds, of course. And I love how the highlighter really just, you know, gave me a different, almost like a dramatic look, if you get what I'm saying with that. Real cute. Now I would say I will wear this as an everyday look because y'all, this is just my thing, except maybe the mole would go here in the center. Love it, absolutely. I love how the lipstick is keeping my lips moisturized as well. It's not drying the lips out or anything like that, so love it. Go to beautybox.walmart.com to get your very own Halloween beauty box. Whoop. Thanks guys for watching. Bye guys.